Hello students, welcome to Agriclarity by Clarity for Sure. Today we are going to discuss certain terminologies related to fish processing. Let's get into it. Let's understand some key fish processing terminologies that frequently appear in your examination, whether it is IBPS AFO or NABARD. Okay, and these are important for you to know as well. So number one is evisceration, that is removal of internal organs from fish, especially the gut. You might have seen these, the people who sell fish, they will also be doing this. This helps prevent spoilage. For example, in commercial fish plants, this is one of the first steps after catching fish. Next we have descaling, removal of scales, right? Very easy to understand. So what do you use? Either you could be doing it manually or you could use machines. Okay. So this is done in rohu, katla and all those fishes who have scales. You might have seen this in the fish markets, right? Next is filleting. Filleting is cutting the fish into clean, boneless slices. For instance, salmon fillets are a common product in supermarkets. Next we have heading. Heading is very easy. That is just the removal of fish head. This is important when making processed products like fish sticks. Okay, next is skinning. Skinning is removal of skin. Very easy, especially in species like catfish where the skin is tough and not desirable in cooked dishes. Alright, easy to understand. Remember this one, filleting. Question can come from here. And evisceration. This is easy, right? You know what is viscera. So basically, when you remove the viscera, it's like removal of the gut. Okay. Okay. Next, we will understand all the terminologies related to preservation and storage techniques. So number one is chilling. Chilling is basically storing the fish on ice at around 0 degrees Celsius. Okay. To slow down spoilage. This is the easiest way. Okay. Right after the harvest, you'll just put it in crushed ice, which is at 0 degrees Celsius. Freezing is basically when you further lowered the temperature, that is below minus 18 degrees Celsius, to keep fish safe for months. Frozen prawns or fish fillets are good examples, right? Next we have IQF, that is individually quick frozen. IQF is a method where each piece is frozen separately. This prevents clumping, okay, and makes it easy to use only what's needed, like individual shrimp or fish cubes. Whatever you require, you just can take it out. Next is cold storage. You know this, typically at minus 18 degrees Celsius. Okay. Sub-zero temperatures to maintain quality until it's sold or processed further. Next we have cryopreservation. This also you might have heard. Use of ultra low temperature to preserve genetic material of fish. So you will preserve the fish eggs or sperm, right, for breeding programs. Next, let's move to some terminologies related to drying and curing. So first is sun drying. This traditional method uses sunlight to dry fish like dried Bombay duck in coastal villages. Okay. Next is mechanical drying. In large scale operations, dryers are used to remove moisture quickly, especially during monsoons when sun drying is impossible. Next is salt curing. In this process, salt is used to draw out moisture and preserve fish. Salted sea fish is commonly found in Indian markets. Remember, sea fish. Okay. Next is pickling. This term was asked in previous years. So pickling is combining salt, vinegar and spices to preserve and flavor fish. In Kerala, fish pickles are popular delicacy. Well, students from Kerala can tell us how tasty is the fish pickle. Have they tasted it? How does it taste like? Next is smoking. Smoking adds flavor and preserves the fish. It can be hot or cold. Smoked salmon is a famous example from cold regions. Next, we will talk about terminologies related to canning and packaging. Canning involves sealing fish in airtight containers and heat treating them to kill microbes. Sardines and tuna are often canned. Next is retort processing, sterilization of canned fish under high pressure and temperature. In this, what we do is we take sealed pouches or cans and they are pressure cooked at high temperature. Ready to eat fish curries often use this method. Next, we have vacuum packaging. Here, air is removed before sealing the packet. This slows down spoilage. It's often used for marinated or semi-processed fish products. Next, we have modified atmosphere packaging or MAP. Have you heard of it? This method replaces air with gases like nitrogen or carbon dioxide inside the packet. This helps extend shelf life, for example, in packed raw prawns. So CO2 or N2, anything can be used. Then we have shrink wrapping. Have you heard of this? In this, a plastic film shrinks tightly around the fish when heated. It's commonly used for frozen whole fish in supermarkets. Okay. Next, we will talk about terminologies related to value addition and byproducts. First is surimi. Surimi is a processed fish paste used to make imitation seafood like crab sticks or fish balls. It's made from white fish like Alaska pollock. You can remember the example, Alaska pollock. So surimi is made out of it. Okay. Next we have fish meal. Fish meal is a high protein powder made from fish waste of small fish. It's used as feed for poultry, pigs or even other fish. Next is fish oil. This we all know, right? We all are consuming now omega-3 fatty acid containing capsules because it's normally not there in our diet. So doctors are prescribing it, right? Fish oil rich in omega-3 fatty acids is extracted from fatty fish like sardines. It's used in dietary supplements and feeds. Next we have fish hydrolysate. This is a liquid protein product made by breaking down fish with enzymes. It's used as a fertilizer or animal feed additive. Next we have fish silage. Fish silage is made by fermenting fish waste with acids or bacteria. It's rich in nutrients and used as feed in rural aquaculture setups. Next, we will talk about some terminologies related to quality and safety. First is HACCP. This you will be hearing for other food products also. What does it stand for? Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points. Remember the full form? This can be asked. This is a system for ensuring that food safety is taken care of by checking for hazards at every processing stage. Okay. Next is sensory evaluation. So it's basically, to check the smell, texture, color and taste of fish to judge freshness and acceptability. Like you can reject a fish with sour smell. This your mothers are also doing now. They will be blaming your father that see how this fish is and you still chose to bring it. Next is TVBN. TVBN stands for total volatile base nitrogen. So what do we do with this? This is basically a test. Okay, this is a chemical test to detect spoilage. Higher level means the fish is going bad. Next we have TMA, that is trimethylamine. TMA gives the characteristic fishy smell in spoiled marine fish like mackerel. It's another key spoilage marker. So remember this as well. Then you have microbial load. This you must have heard of before, right? This refers to the number of bacteria or fungi on fish. A high microbial load means the fish isn't safe for consumption. This is true for other food products as well. Alright. So these were the 30 terms that I wanted to teach you. Based on that, now we'll have some questions. Question number 1. In fish quality assessment, total volatile base nitrogen is used to. Here are your options. Number 2. Surimi is best described as. Question number 3. What is the primary purpose of pickling in fish processing? Write your answers in the comment section. For more such videos, subscribe to the channel. And our initiative of IBPS AFO 24/7 test series by Clarity. In this test series, you will get daily subject-wise test, multi-level question, time-based QRE practice questions, weekly full-length test, and also detailed explanation. Along with that, you will get all the current affair related agricultural questions as well. Get yourself enrolled now.